Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am gonna be reviewing on this Pilgrim India skincare range. Now Pilgrim is an Indian skincare brand which is 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free and also FDA approved. And I have called for 3 products from their Jeju Island range. Now Pilgrim India sources their key ingredients straight from the Jeju Island, and as you know, Jeju Island is in Korea and Koreans are famous for their glass skin. So yeah, I have been testing this product for last 2 to 3 weeks now, and yeah, here I am with my review. And in this video I am going to share with you step by step how I do my skincare routine. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. Alright, now moving on to the first product, I have this Pilgrim India Volcanic Lava's face wash. Now as you can see, the product is 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free and also free from toxic 20 chemicals. Now this volcanic lava's face wash works like a magnet which removes the dirt, pollution from the skin, and anyone can use this face wash like combination skin, dry skin and also oily skin. And I have little bit of dry skin and it doesn't make my skin feels too dry, and it has white lotus extract that brightens and protects the skin from pollution. Yugudugu helps reduces the acne and also reduces the sizes of pores. Now moving on to the second product, I have this Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with camellia and witch hazel. Camellia promotes collagen production of the skin and witch hazel fights skin irritation, refresh the tired skin and also helps to tighten the pores. Now as you can see, this product is also 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free and free of toxic 20 chemicals and also mineral oil free. It's a very fine face mist which helps to soothe, purify and refreshes the tired skin. Now you can use this product as your face mist and also you can use this as your face toner, and it's an alcohol free toner. Now moving on to the third product, I have this Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island 2% Hyaluronic Acid Hydration Serum with kiwi and watermelon. Now hyaluronic acid helps to reduce your wrinkles, fine line, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and also helps to reduce the early signs of aging. And it has kiwi extract which helps to brighten the skin, delay the signs of aging, and watermelon extract helps to moisturize the skin. From all of these 3 products, this one is my favorite. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.